A farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field. Her field is farmer is a lady farmer here, which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter deep. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, in how much time will the tank be filled? Question is just like this. There is a cylindrical tank which has to be filled with water. Okay. The tank is 10 meter in diameter, so radius will be 5 meter and 2 meter deep. Okay, beta. There is a canal. Obviously, if it is a canal, it has got a lot of water here. Now, from this canal, a cylindrical pipe is attached. एक cylindrical pipe attached है और इस pipe में से क्या हो रहा है बच्चे? The pipe is doing what? It is taking water from the canal and putting it in. पानी कहाँ जा रहा है उससे?
Cylindrical tank.
ठीक है. Now, all of you must have seen the pipe. Is there a fixed length of a pipe? Pipe की length तो fix होती है. But when we connect to the tap or the source of water, the water continuously keeps flowing through it. है ना बेटा? पानी तो उसमें से flow होता जाएगा. We are given that the diameter is 20 centimeter. So what should be the radius of the pipe?
10 centimeter.
10
10
centimeters.
10 centimeters.
We are mentioning meter here. इसको भी meter में change कर देते हैं. So that will be 10 upon 100 meter, which is 1 upon 10 meter. ठीक है? So radius हमें given है pipe का. Then we are given this thing. The length of the pipe is 3 km per hour. That means it allows 3 km long, 3 km length जितना पानी अपने में से flow करने देगा. In how much time?
1 hour.
So we do not know how to find the volume of the water in the pipe because it is not going to be fixed, no? It doesn't have any closing. But we can always find the volume of water that will flow through the pipe in 1 hour. Can we do that? कि 1 घंटे में से pipe में से कितना पानी निकलेगा? Can we do that?
Yes, ma'am.
So pi r square h, where r will be 1 upon 10 and length will be taken as 3 km. Again, it has to be changed to meter so that all the units are same. So 3 km will be better.
300.
300 meters.
3000. So we will find the volume of water that will flow through the pipe in 1 hour. Suppose, I don't know kitna hai ye. Suppose it comes out to be, let's say, 5000 meters. Suppose meter cube. Suppose it allows 5000 meter cube of water to flow through it. And let us say the volume of tank is 10,000 meter cube. How much time will it take to fill the tank?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
30.
एक घंटे में वो 5000 दे रहा है and you need 10,000 meter cube.
2 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours. So what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Volume of tank divided by volume of pipe. यही करेंगे ना बेटा? The volume of divided by volume of pipe. This will give us 2 hours. तो 2 घंटे लगेंगे. Suppose ये होता बेचारा सिर्फ let's say 1000. तब भी divide करते. Obvious सी चीज ये है कि आप suppose the pipe is providing 5000 meter cube in 1 hour and your requirement is less than that. Your tank requirement is less than that. Will the time taken be less than 1 hour or more than 1 hour?
Less than 1 hour.
Ma'am, less than 1 hour.
Yes. And if your requirement is more than 5000, it will be more than 1 hour or less
More
than
than 1 hour.
More than
More than 1 hour.
1 hour.
Than 1
obvious things that we have to do. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So just write it down for pipe. let radius R is equal to, first we have to show 20 divided by 2 because we are given diameter 10 centimeter, which is equal to 10 by 100 meter, which is equal to 1 upon 10 meter. Okay? And length 3 kilometer per hour. We need to mention the time because so 3000 meter cube per hour. Amount of water that flows through pipe in 1 hour. 1 घंटे में. We have to mention the time. It is important. In
Ma'am,
1 hour is
ma'am,
equal
when
to,
we're writing length equal to 3 kilometer per hour, don't we have to write length, comma L?
yes, H. We will write H. Thank you. Pi r square H. Pi r square H. I'm just leaving it here. Then next, for the tank, for cylindrical tank, radius capital R 10 by 2 meter, which is 5 meter, and height capital H, which is 2 meter. So therefore volume of tank, this is equal to pi capital R square H. Now, time taken to fill the tank is equal to, but the beauty of maths is you can always assume small values in your mind and work out the formula. You know, now we just assume small values in mind. Let's suppose this is the volume of pipe and this is the volume of tank. Then what should be divided by what? मेरी बात समझ आ रही है ना आपको? So pi and pi will be cancelled. Now capital R is 5 into 5 into 2 meter cube. And please be careful here. This is 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 3000 meter cube per hour, because there is no volume of pipe, but the volume of water passes through pipe in 1 hour. And now this divided by R, ये R ऊपर चला जाएगा, meter cube and meter cube will get cancelled. 2 zeros will get cancelled here. Children, what is this? 5 into 5, 25 into 2, 50. So 50 upon 3030 R. Again 0 and 0 cancel. 5 upon 3 R. So that is the time it is going to take. So the time taken to fill the tank is 5 upon 3 hours.